At Syngene, technology transfer isn't just a handover, it's a seamless cross-site collaboration. Within our small molecules, drug substance development and manufacturing unit, two major campuses drive the process: BSEZ in Bangalore and MSEZ in Mangalore. Linked by strong systems and shared expertise, they ensure technology and know-how move smoothly, powering consistent delivery across both sites. Both our sites, BSEZ and MSEZ, are GMP certified, 21 CFR compliant, and approved by the USFDA, ensuring globally aligned, quality-focused operations. From the very start of the project, teams at MSEZ work in step with experts at BSEZ across process research, analytical research, process engineering, and most importantly, process safety. This early and integrated collaboration ensures alignment, transparency, and a faster, safer, and more cost-effective execution. At our Bangalore site, BSEZ, process research and development focuses on designing scalable, economical, and safe chemical processes. Alongside, our analytical research and development team develops robust methods to ensure quality and compliance at every stage of the project lifecycle. Once the process is developed and proven at lab scale through demonstration batches, the focus shifts to MSEZ, Syngene's commercial manufacturing facility. Joint trials are carried out as needed at either site, with seamless documentation exchange. The technology services team leads the on-ground transfer and implementation, supported continuously by the BSEZ teams to ensure a smooth and successful scale-up. On the analytical front, the analytical research team and the MSEZ quality control team work closely together. Wherever possible, co-validation is carried out, reducing the need for separate method transfers. The result? Greater efficiency without compromising on compliance or traceability. From process design to plant execution, Syngene's technology transfer model follows a well-structured, collaborative workflow, starting with PRD and ARD, extending to the technical teams at MSEZ, and culminating in final validation. This paves the way for long-term, year-on-year manufacturing and supply of small molecule drug substances and their intermediates. Driven by deep scientific alignment and seamless operational synergy across sites, Syngene ensures that every technology transfer is efficient, robust, and scale-ready. We invite global pharmaceutical innovators to experience our world-class, regulatory-compliant, and quality-focused facilities, purpose-built to accelerate the development and commercialization of small molecule drug substances. Syngene, putting science to work.